Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and this is my channel, Miss Deb. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's video is so exciting because we're doing a little transformation on a wig. I'm going to be showing you guys how to tone your blonde hair. A lot of people know how to lift their bundles, but they don't know how to actually tone their hair and make it look nice and give it multiple tones and things like that. So that is what today's video is literally about. I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform your wigs from drab to fab.
Let's get started. So after you've bleached your hair, a very important thing is to tone your hair. You're gonna need some purple shampoo, which is your best friend. You can apply the purple shampoo directly to the hair, or you can put it in a bucket with water and soak the hair in it for a period of time. I think it's good to leave the hair until the end to condition because you're still going to be dyeing it and stuff anyway, so there's no point in wasting your time conditioning it, then washing it and conditioning it. So then I'm just gonna rinse it out, and now we can see that there's already progress. It's already looking less brassy and more toned. It's hair dyeing time. I'm gonna be using my latex gloves to protect my acrylics, and I'm just gonna be popping them onto my hands and rubbing my hands together because I'm about to get cooking. Using the Got to Be Glued, I'm going to be using that to protect the lace from the hair dye. So we're going to be starting off with the dark brown hair dye. All the details of the products I'm using are in the description bar below. A very important step in dyeing hair blonde is root shadowing. It helps create a nice color story, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So as you guys can see, I'm creating a little partition like all throughout the 5x5 closure, and I'm adding a tiny bit of the brown hair dye to the root, and as you can see, I'm feathering it out as I'm applying it to tiny sections, and I'm doing the same thing again. That way it's not just sitting harshly on the hair. Now I'm going to take my Creme of Nature in light golden brown. This is our transition color, and how I'm going to be applying this is very important because this creates a nice transition. We're going inside the color that we've just applied to the root, and we're going to be dragging it out, so that way the two colors are kind of mixing together at their point of contact, but they're still creating a nice transition out into what's going to be our blonde area and our main color. Now I'm grabbing the shades Super Blonde and Light Blonde. They're our main things, not our side things. So now I'm going to be doing the exact same thing I just did. I'm starting inside the last color and I'm dragging it down. And guys, if you notice, I was doing the outer layer first because that's the most important thing if you're trying to save on dye. You start from outside and you work your way inside, because nobody can really see inside of the hair, but they can see the outside layer of your hair first. So then you work your fingers inside and make sure that the color spreads evenly from the roots to the tips. We're the only one that I got in my side. I can't lie. After bleaching, I highly recommend deep conditioning your hair overnight with an intensive hair conditioner. But in this case, for the video, I just did the quick version. I just conditioned it for about an hour or two, and then I went straight ahead into blow drying it and styling it. Guys, let's get styling. I'm going to be using my Nourishing Hair Oil, and I'm going to be working that into the hair while it's damp. It's important to add products like oils and serums like this John Frieda Frizz while your hair is damp, so that way it kind of locks in all the moisture. And also, don't forget to protect your hair with some e-protector and spray from your dryer and your straighteners and curlers. So I'm just going to be spraying that onto the hair while the hair is damp, and I spray that quite generously also. And now I'm blow drying. Try not to stop brushing the hair until the hair is getting drier and drier, because you know the hair has been through a lot of processing and it's going to be frizzy from the hair drying. So you want to go gentle on your hair during this time. And guys, look at the big difference. OMG. Guys, can you see what we did? Magic. I'm just plucking the closure, you know, and creating a nice middle part in the 5x5. And now I'm going to straighten the hair all over. You know, just give it a nice base before curling it with my curler. I just went with nice loose curls. I didn't even use much hairspray. I only used a tiny bit of hairspray. You can use any hairspray as long as it's not a strong hold, otherwise it gives you that crunchy kind of feeling. And then I just cut layers, guys. If you notice, when I cut layers, I just drag the scissors down. I don't actually, you know, close the scissors, if you guys know what I mean. I just drag it down and it creates nice, lovely, simple layers. I took a picture and posted it on my Instagram story. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you're not following me already. When I was done curling, I added some nice mousse to the very top just to help flatten the hair with my hot comb and make sure that it was laying flat and nice. And here we have the finished wig. So we've gone literally from super brassy to super toned and, you know, nice and neat and clean.
Dear, it's not right. Trying to make me think that I'm getting all your time. No, you haven't been with it all night. Can you just give me a sign?
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Mine is the ocean, making waves through the clouds.